China continues to amaze the world. The Chinese company Unitree Robotics showcased the dancing skills of its humanoid robots, H1, at the annual Chunwan Gala in celebration of the Lunar New Year. In the televised program, 16 robots dressed in red and white vests joined a group of performers and synchronously performed the traditional Chinese folk dance Yange. The technical infrastructure provided by the Artificial Intelligence Division of Alibaba Group Holding enabled the H1 robots to process spatial positioning data at high frequency in real time. This allowed the machines to determine their location and coordinate their movements. An artificial intelligence algorithm enabled the robots to understand the music they were dancing to and execute movements similar to those of humans. The humanoid robots demonstrated their ability to walk, run, and jump on stage. This event marked the first large-scale, fully artificial intelligence-controlled and fully automated performance by a group of robotic humanoids, an ideal combination of technology and traditional culture, Unitree stated. Chinese companies have begun a large-scale implementation of humanoid robots in their factories. Geely has also decided to join this trend by employing the Unitree H1, which has proven itself in assembling automotive components. The robot stands approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighs around 47 kilograms. It can reach speeds of up to 5 meters per second, making it one of the fastest robotic humanoids. It is capable of carrying loads weighing up to 30 kilograms, allowing it to handle tasks related to moving and installing heavy components. At the factory, the H1 robot is involved in testing the assembly of automotive parts at Geely's production facility. It performs tasks requiring precision and coordination, demonstrating its ability to integrate into manufacturing processes. While H1 showcases impressive capabilities in industrial tasks, a complete replacement of human labor remains unlikely for now. Robots like H1 are more likely to work alongside humans, taking on routine or hazardous operations and freeing up personnel for more complex and creative tasks. But that is far from the only news from the Chinese company. Now even soccer players are at risk of being replaced by robotic humanoids. The Chinese robot G1 has demonstrated its soccer skills. Over the past year, the robot has made incredible progress, and if G1 continues to develop at the same pace, it could become a fully fledged soccer player, surpassing humans in every way. The robot has 23 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and mobility. Its maximum movement speed exceeds 7 kilometers per hour, allowing it to effectively perform dynamic tasks. It is equipped with 3-fingered hands capable of precise and delicate manipulations, including handling fragile objects and preparing food. The robot stands approximately 130 centimeters tall and weighs around 35 kilograms. A battery with a capacity of 9,000 milliamp hours provides up to 2 hours of operation without recharging. The price of the Unitree G1 starts at $16,000, making it relatively affordable compared to similar robots on the market. The American company Clone Robotics continues its work on developing the world's first humanoid robot with artificial muscles. Just recently, engineers shared new footage from the robot's testing. The key feature of the project, called Torso, is the use of hydraulic tendons and muscles to replicate human musculature, potentially making its movement smoother and more natural compared to traditional robotic humanoids. Recently, robotics has seen an intriguing shift toward bionics, with scientists focusing on creating not just mechanical devices, but robots that closely mimic the human body. Torso is an innovation that utilizes hydraulic tendons and artificial muscles. This approach enables movements that resemble human motion in fluidity and naturalness. By integrating elements of biomechanics, Torso opens new possibilities in physiotherapy and rehabilitation. Imagine the potential of such robots in helping patients recover from injuries or surgeries. A robot capable of not only physically supporting a patient, but also teaching movements that closely resemble natural human motion, could significantly improve and accelerate the rehabilitation process. The Turkish studio Melike Altanesik Architects has opened the Museum of Robots and Artificial Intelligence in Seoul. The four-story museum, covering 7,400 square meters, is dedicated to robotics and artificial intelligence. Designed to resemble a spaceship, it features a facade made of metal panels and a steel frame, constructed using robotic welding. The museum offers visitors a unique opportunity to explore cutting-edge advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence. The exhibits include quadrupedal robots, medical robots, and humanoids, showcasing a wide range of modern technology applications. Visitors can directly control robotic machines, interact with artificial intelligence, and observe their operation in real-world scenarios. The company Unix AI recently unveiled its new humanoid robot named Wanda 2.0. Wanda 2.0 is a wheeled, dual-armed humanoid robot capable of performing a wide range of tasks in both domestic and commercial environments. An 8-degree of freedom bionic hand and adaptive intelligent grippers enable it to execute complex tasks with high precision. In a demonstration video, the robot showcased its skills in dart throwing and archery, performing these actions with remarkable accuracy. The robot is equipped with highly advanced biomimetic hands that can replicate various human hand movements, ensuring more efficient trajectory planning and a secure grip on objects. Its proprietary grippers allow Wanda 2.0 to adapt to different tasks in everyday life and commercial applications. Engineers from Dynamic Legged Systems at the Italian Institute of Technology have unveiled their new quadrupedal robot named Tele Operativo 2, based on the HiQ Real platform. The robot measures 133 centimeters in length, 90 centimeters in height, and weighs 130 kilograms. It can move at speeds of up to 2 meters per second, overcome obstacles, climb stairs, and even tow an aircraft weighing 3,300 kilograms. This robot combines the stability and mobility of the quadrupedal HiQ Reel with the capabilities of 2 robotic manipulators, making it ideal for remote operations in hazardous environments. It is controlled by an operator using the remote-armed tactile interface and a virtual reality system, enabling precise manipulations such as opening doors, using tools, and interacting with objects. Tele Operativo 2 is designed for emergency rescue operations, industrial applications, and high-risk zones where human presence is undesirable or impossible. To celebrate the Chinese New Year, P&D Robotics released a video featuring its robot Atom, demonstrating its ability to write Chinese characters. Atom is a humanoid robot equipped with high-precision servo motors that allow it to smoothly and accurately replicate human hand movements. Using machine learning and motion imitation algorithms, the robot analyzes traditional calligraphy techniques and reproduces them with high accuracy. During the demonstration, Atom wrote the character Fu on red paper, symbolizing a wish for good luck in the coming year. Atom is designed with joints and actuators that replicate natural human movements, using reinforcement learning to imitate human behavior and improve over time. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.